Welcome back to HI powered by AI, upgrading your human intelligence. 50 years back or 30 years back, when someone need to invite you to a function or a marriage or something like that, or a corporate event, they used to come home and then there will be printed invitation and then they write your name on top of that and then they hand over to you either to your hands or into your plate or some other formalities. Those days are gone now. Now everything is digital. So people started sending flyers as image invitations. When those days are also gone, now we are getting video invitation, flashy graphical videos. They're looking good. The problem is, I want to see the venue, you can't get it. I want to see the date and time, you can't get it. There is a 2 minutes or 3 minutes of the video, and then 5 seconds of venue and date and time. By the time you pass, it's gone. And that it will be very small in words. If you don't have space, you can't see it also. Those kind of issues also will have it. Is the purpose really inviting or just for the information? I really don't know. And there is no message also, like earlier people used to write along with the invitation, they also used to write the venue, Google Maps, date and time, etc. as a separate message, but those days are also gone. So I don't understand the purpose, but anyway, the topic is not that. The topic is about the digital invitations, but not the videos, but only the flyers. Okay, so I want to create a personalized invitations, meaning I have an invitation template, and then that invitation template I wanted to send it to multiple people. Say if it is Pradeep, to Sri Pradeep. If it is Praveen, to Sri Praveen. Like that I wanted to write on top of the invitation. How do we do this? We can achieve this using Google Flow Agent. Let's see how we are going to do it. Let's get into the system. I have created an invitation to invite people to look at my Raga Chikitsa channel. I have a Raga Chikitsa channel that people can hear and heal. Just by listening to the music, you can heal the diseases. Okay, so that is called Raga Chikitsa. Details are there in this invitation. So this is my swalp.in/rc will give you the YouTube channel, or you can also go to Lokahitam Karaniyam YouTube channel, and then you can listen to the music and heal yourself. This music can be used while sleeping, while driving, while working, and during the gatherings, whenever you go to function, or you have a lot of big DJ. Usually we go to get-togethers, and then there we actually wanted to talk each other, but you can't talk, you have to shout because there is a large noise behind the scenes. You can avoid those kind of issues using Raga Chikitsa. Okay, I think I'm doing more on the Raga Chikitsa. Let's get into the invitation. Okay, so I have created an invitation to to invite the people to the Raga Chikitsa. Here, if you observe, so there is invitation and then there is a two place. Okay, at this two position, I wanted to write the names of the people. That is my requirement. Okay, so for this, what I did, I already created a prompt. I will just show you the prompt. So this is the prompt. So create an invitation for each of the below persons, meaning replace. It's actually not replace, meaning fill the two line with the below names. So total 9 images in total. Let's log into the Google Flow and then create a new project first. Now upload the invitation template that we have. Once the upload is done, now you have your prompt ready. Paste the prompt. make sure you add the uploaded template to this image. So you have to wait for it to complete the upload, and then use @ and then add it. If you don't do that by mistake, it will remove it. So again, do it again. So we have added the prompt, and then @ use the image. So we have added the ingredient also to this prompt. Now once you submit, now see, ideally we give 9 names, so 9 images should start generating. It will take few seconds to get into the action. It has to analyze all our instructions. Now you see all 9 images getting created. Okay, so once it starts, it will be less than a minute to complete the complete creation. All 9 images will be generated in parallel. So if you can even go with 50, 100 also. So sometimes when you give too many images, it may slow down or something like that. So what you can do is you can do it in a bunch of ways, like 50 in one bunch, say, 50 more in the second bunch, like that you can do it. In this actually, the font, it is going to use its own font because we didn't mention anything in specific. Say if you want something handwritten font or something like that, those kind of things also you can explicitly mention in the prompt, or Arial prompt or Tahoma prompt, whatever you want, you can also mention those things explicitly. Now you see all of them are created in less than a minute. All 9 images are now ready for you. Okay, if you want, you can just cross check 1 or 2 and then see whether they are correct or not. Okay, it all looks good to me. Okay, now I got 10 images in this project. One is the template and the 9 are this. I'm going to download the entire project. Yes, entire project is downloaded. So you don't need to download one by one. You can download all in one go also. If you want one by one also, you can do it. It's up to you. Okay. Now just extract the downloads. Now all the images are ready. So I got all 9 images. They are all ready. Now I can start using it. Okay. I hope you like the video. Please like, share and subscribe for further updates. Thank you for watching. Bye.